KFC. I got the channel they're eating.
What are you eating?
Chicken?
Chicken from?
Chicken. KFC. KFC. Like this one, spicy. Pupilati. Like it. So conk. Give them the.
Let's got rice. Let's pick out.
You.
We have
Thank
rice
you
in
for
the
giving. Give them German. Maybe chicken see.
Thank you to Papa.
KFC. We got it. But we made the strawberry with the chocolate. Like, we're gonna move the camera around.
Chocolate. Sit down, boys. You're not gonna fall.
They're not.
Because
I'm getting bed. I'm getting
sit down only, huh?
dip, dip, dip.
Dip, dip, dip. What is that? Gravy. Eat rice also.
Oh.
Yeah, rice. Oh, wow.
Mama, I'm not eating this. The dipping sauce.
That's gravy, boy.
The gravy sauce?
Yeah, gravy sauce.
Yeah, what's gravy sauce?
You like it?
Yeah. It's my favorite in the KFC bucket.
Oh, yeah?
Need the buffet.
Walo man ni kabok. Dagko ka lang chicken. Chicken is very big. Very big, oh. Very big.
How big?
Among chicken sa Philippines kay very small. Here the chicken is very big. Bigger than you. Look at that. This is breast. Ano lang breast.
I
Kagaya the breast.
feed them. I feed them because they eat
Where's the
them.
drumstick? Oh, this one is small. That's not big. Say bye, guys.
Bye guys, I just.
Like in. Hello, what happened? Papanguna, yabo.
I'll do this. Look at the KFC.